The Supreme Court on Friday granted interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal till June 1st. A bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta passed the order after it heard both sides. The interim bail has been granted in view of the ongoing Lok Sabha election, though the Enforcement Directorate opposed it and said campaigning for the election was not a constitutional right. An interim bail till June 1st means Kejriwal will be out of jail when Delhi votes on May 25. On June 2nd, Kejriwal will have to surrender. He will be in jail on June 4, the counting and the result day.
Assembled for this matter, and it pronounced a very short oral order. We have not yet seen the written order, which will be uploaded in the course of the day, as we understand. And in that oral order, the court indicated that they are granting interim release / bail to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. And that order of interim release will be operable up till 2nd of June, that is during the election process. And there is no restriction on his campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say while he is out in these 22 days. Any further aspect, we'll have to see the order and then only comment.
So when do you think he'll be released?
We are anticipating that the order should be getting uploaded quickly. We'll obviously move for release today itself. We'll try for the release today itself, and we hope that it should happen today itself. वो क्या कह सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कह सकते हैं कैंपेन में, पॉलिटिकल, नॉन पॉलिटिकल, वो कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इंपोज नहीं की गई हैं और ये 2 जून तक पूरा का पूरा ऑर्डर ऑपरेट करेगा.
तो ये 2 जून को आप सरेंडर करेंगे कि क्या होगा?
देखिए, अभी जो ऑर्डर कह रहा है वो 2 जून तक के लिए है. हम ऑर्डर देखेंगे, उसको पूरी तरह से एग्जामिन करेंगे और उसके बाद की कार्रवाई क्या होगी उसके बाद ही हम बता सकते हैं. The Supreme Court has ordered the interim release of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal until 2nd of June. And there are no restrictions which have been imposed on him in respect of campaigning as to what he can say, what he cannot say. He has also, this is despite the fact that the ED even today, as the oral order was being pronounced, really tried and argued that there should be restrictions imposed on him so that he cannot be saying anything about this case. But that suggestion also was not accepted by the court, and no restrictions whatsoever in respect of the campaigning has been imposed. Other aspects, we'll have to see the written order, and since we have not seen it and the entire order was not pronounced, I'm not in a position to comment any further on that. See, my sense as a lawyer is that it is a much needed relief. The arrest itself happened after Model Code of Conduct was imposed. Therefore, the relief could not have come one day earlier. It was much needed, and therefore we are very happy that the court has granted this relief.
Will it impact in the election?
See, that's a political question. I am not the right person to